सर सबसे पहले तो सर मैं अपने दुख का इजहार करना चाहूँगा कि सर आप एक यूनिवर्सिटी आए, तुलबा अपना टाइम निकाल के आए, असातिज़ा इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं और आप फिर भी सर 50 मिनट लेट आए। बच्चे अपनी क्लास एक दूसरे छोड़ के सर इधर आपका इंतज़ार कर रहे थे। और सर मैं इस बात पे शर्मिंदा हूँ कि मेरे प्राइम मिनिस्टर, बेशक केयरटेकर प्राइम मिनिस्टर हो, उसे इल्म की इज़्ज़त नहीं, या फिर मुझे लगा कि शायद इल्म की इज़्ज़त नहीं।
अरे बाप रे, ये तो धोती खोल रहा है।
After the Punjab and KP governments got dissolved, you're supposed to hold elections in 90 days. Why haven't we held elections yet?
So, sir, amidst the declining growth, increasing debt, political instability and whatnot, I am genuinely curious that why did you feel the need to come to LUMS and address the students here? No, it's not, I'm sorry, it's not a humiliating question.
No, I don't get humiliated by
I am genuinely curious that amidst all these situations and conditions that are happening in Pakistan and are affecting the people, why did you feel like, what was the motive behind this invite, or rather you're coming to LUMS? I want to know.
The recent elections which just happened in Karachi, where PTI and Jamaat-e-Islami collectively, they won a majority. But I don't know what happened. सारे लोग मई की मजम्मत करते हैं, लेकिन PTI वाले सारे गायब हो गए मेयर चूज करने से पहले.
Assalamualaikum, Prime Minister. It's very heartening to hear you coming over here, the Premier of the country, and saying and encouraging us that LUMS students, we seek knowledge, we seek originality. It's very heartening, but then I harken back to earlier times. A few months ago, right at the start of your tenureship, when you talked about the social contract, you talked about the Pakistan social contract with its citizens. It should only have a primary purpose. That is to ensure law and order. And I believe that goes against the very statement you gave right now about encouraging originality and seeking knowledge and giving an enabling environment. I believe in order to give an enabling environment to the youth of this nation, there has to be two things: freedom of expression and freedom from discrimination. I believe we here, LUMS students, people of a very, very privileged class, both in terms of socioeconomic class and religious caste as well, we aren't at the same level, and the level freedom of expression we have cannot ever compare to the youth out in South Punjab, out in Karachi, those Afghan refugees. They can never compare to us. So how do you feel that a social contract that is based on law and order as a primary purpose can ever ensure those two things to make sure that the rest of our youth actually get a chance to have an enabling environment? I feel like all of us over here do not want the outcome that we're currently seeing in Pakistan. That is when the penalties are not proportionate to the crime committed, even if calling that a crime is just going against rules and regulations.
Like, for instance, you're referring to 9th May?
And the outcomes of it.
Be open. Why are you hesitant? Nobody is stifling you here. Come on, let me.
And sir, the reason why I am not open and some of us may not be able to be open
Take
is
the initiative.